This assessment asks us which would happen faster, the reaction of butene with HBr or the reaction of 2-methylbutene with the same reagent. This is going to be a case of the carbocation stability of the intermediate that forms dictating the relative rate of the two reactions. So when butene reacts, we're going to make a secondary carbocation. When 2-methylbutene reacts, we will instead make a tertiary carbocation. Since the tertiary carbocation is more stable, it would be at lower energy, and climbing the hill to a tertiary carbocation should be easier and therefore faster. It will have a lower activation energy. That lower activation energy makes this the faster reaction.